cover my skin with the blood of Jesus Christ. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying something I haven't done before. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do this, but I haven't done it for my own channel. Better late than never. If you want to know what I'm talking about, keep watching and you know the drill. Don't go anywhere. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell while you're at it so we can enjoy this ride together. And also you get notified whenever I put up new videos on my channel. So guys, let's get into this video. So for this video, I don't have so much foundation here with me, but I'm going to make do with what I already have here right now. My other foundations are still in my mother's house. I haven't fully, cleared my stuff from my mother's house ever since, the trial was over. So I'm going to be using just 3 foundations here. I'm going to be using my cheap Fresh and Fit foundation all day matte. This is in the shade MC04. That's the first foundation I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the Flawless IV HD High Definition 100% waterproof foundation, and it's in the shade Nutmeg. This is in the shade Nutmeg, and the last one I'm going to be using is from Fair Gold, their Evolution Luminous Foundation, and this is in the shade 607. The label has already gone off. So guys, let's get into this video. Oh my god. Okay, for this tutorial, the first thing I want to do is to moisturize my skin, and I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Even Oil-Free Moisturizer. So I'm just going to be putting a little on my skin. So this has sink into my skin, and I am really going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Fair Gold Pro Prep and Prime primer. Something a little bit, not too much, just this much, and I'm going to distribute this evenly on my skin. As much as possible. For this tutorial, I'm going to try as much as possible to use 1 pump each for the foundation. So for the Flawless, I'm going to be using 1 pump. For my cheek, I'm going to be using 1 pump as well. For my Fair Gold, I'm going to be using 1 pump as well. I hope it's going to be enough. But using the tip of my brush, this is what the foundation is. So using the tip of my brush, I'm going to be mixing this in the back of my hand. So I'm going to be using a beauty blender to blend this. I'm using a beauty blender because of the because of the flawless ivy. If you have watched my first impression about it, I mentioned that um, I always find it difficult to blend using a brush, so I prefer to use a beauty blender. It wasn't that bad. It doesn't look so bad. Doesn't look so bad. So I use one pump for of each of the foundation I own, and I applied it all over my face. And I don't know, it doesn't look that bad. After all, it's my own shade of foundation. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and highlight, contour, and I'm going to come back to show you what it looks like when I am done. I have tons and tons of video where I highlight and contour, so I don't want to bore you with all those details. I'm going to link it somewhere if I remember my highlight, contour, and foundation routine somewhere down in my channel. The look or the foundation did not turn out too bad. I don't think I look too light. Come on, it's actually my own foundation shade I mixed. So guys, like I said at the beginning of the video, I've seen a couple of YouTubers do this challenge before, but I haven't tried it on my channel. Better late than never. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.